Science of reading research shows that vocabulary development is a crucial component of all literacy instruction, but particularly for early readers. Because a reader needs to know the meanings of the words in a text to be able to understand the content and read with comprehension, it is vital that vocabulary is explicitly taught alongside decoding skills from the beginning. This is why Excite Reading includes unit-level and book-level vocabulary lists and vocabulary building activities for pre-K through second grade students. Excite Reading organizes its ebooks into text sets composed of 3 books that share a common theme based on social studies, science, and art concepts. Each text set features a unit-level vocabulary list and activities that build students' word knowledge about the theme. Students are given multiple opportunities to hear, read, say, and write the words as they explore the text in a thematic unit. This repetition helps students incorporate the new words into their own vocabularies. Studies show that teaching text-based vocabulary is more effective than teaching lists of words in isolation. Excite Reading's library of authentic children's fiction and nonfiction texts contain the robust vocabulary that students need to increase reading comprehension, while also providing engaging context for those words. And the corresponding book guides provide step-by-step instructions for educators as they introduce the book-level vocabulary list before reading, discuss the words as they encounter them during reading, and encourage the students to use the words in class discussions and writing activities after reading. Excite Reading provides multiple opportunities for educators to intentionally help their pre-K through second grade students build vocabulary so that they can understand the meanings of the words they decode and increase reading comprehension. To learn more, call us at 1-800-221-4792 or visit learningally.org.